All right, Average Joe back build. Kind of lost interest in the project there for a while after my daughter was born, and kind of getting back into it. I've now split the case, pulled the transmission gears out, figured out my shifting problem. It was shift fork is wore almost in two. Split the cases, tore the transmission out, tore the crank out. Looking at the at just basically the block now, so I'll let you take a look at it. Got some grooves here in the. Yeah, let me get my flashlight out and show you here. You can see there are some grooves. You can see the grooves in there. Not pretty. Hoping I might be able to just hone it out and get new rings and stuff, but don't know. Pistons here. Little bitty fellas. Not too bad, not real dirty. A little wear on the skirt there. Oh. Once we'll see that, there's my cheat sheet. Crank and stuff looks alright. Just on the 1, 2, 3, the third main bearing there, I pulled it apart. The main bearing was a little bit smaller than the rest of them. I'd figure another 10,000 miles I'd seize that bearing and messed up a whole lot of crap, so I'm glad I tore it apart when I did. That's about the update for now, so thanks for watching.